What's the meaning of attitude? Attitude. Attitude.
Attitude. Attitude. Attitude refers to a person's overall outlook or mindset towards something, whether it be a particular situation, object or concept. It encompasses a range of emotions, thoughts, and behaviors that influence one's approach to different aspects of life. A positive attitude can lead to a more fulfilling and productive life, while a negative attitude can hinder personal growth and relationships. Developing and maintaining a healthy attitude involves self-reflection, open-mindedness, and a desire to learn and improve oneself. Ultimately, one's attitude can greatly impact their experiences and interactions with the world around them.